Mr. Uche, you've called me too much. I'm sorry, no disrespect, but that was a lot of calls tonight. You don't call me too much, my brother. Well, I know you want some things to be clarified, and it's our time I get it clarified. She came into my life for two things. Money and sex. You know, I have a foundation that takes care of the widows, the less privileged and all that. That I started when I lost my father. I think that was part of the reason why she came to my life. She knew I was a philanthropist. She knew I do give to a lot of people within my capacity. This woman nearly drained me. When I mean drained, yeah, she nearly drained me. I had to tell her, listen, understanding, I was looking after her, making sure she's alright within my own capacity. Secondly, she wanted to have a child quickly. You know, when she came here, I had to let her understand. I said, let me meet your people, and you meet my people. Don't just jump into having a child. It doesn't work that way. I'm a father of 3. I've got 3 children already. I'm not just that eager to have a child. Let me meet your people. Be a proper wife, you know, which to me is reasonable. And I said, before you can be a proper wife, you need to work on your poise. Poise is the way you talk to people, the way you address people, the way you carry yourself. Because people are known for their level of knowledge and academics. This woman nearly drained me. I want this, I want that. You know, within our industry, you have to be on point. I'm dating a rebel. They have to know, they have to see that in me. You know, I must be different. And I said, listen, I know. But remember, I've got these programs I was doing before you met me. If I keep just doing everything for you, you want this, you want that, how do I maintain my programs? You know, oh, David, Honorable, you've got to maintain home before you maintain the street. I said, yes, but let's be reasonable with it. You know, she mentioned tonight, like, oh, I've never done anything for her house, this. I just laughed. I'd rather be quiet about some certain beliefs. Because if I spew some things out, a lot would happen. And I don't want people to see me as being stupid, like, oh, this is what you'll be using our money for. Hold up. I said, work on yourself. And once I see the difference in you, I promise to take you to my family. But if you still keep behaving this way, then there's no way I would take you to my family. Work on your communication skills as well, your poise. You're not a good communicator. You know, things like that. Why? I just want both of us to be better. And that's it. That you want a child quickly doesn't mean that I should just fall for it. I'm not a sperm donor. I want things done properly. You know, so of you assuming as being my wife, why don't you work on yourself so you can be a proper wife? Than assumption. Why? Because I want the best for her. You know, and she promised to work on those things until I came to Lagos. I was very happy. I was coming to see my woman. And luckily, she treated me with a very nice surprise, which I loved. And I was very, very happy. You know, that was a lovely surprise. But unfortunately, the next day, after a party, I couldn't believe what happened. Something happened and she insulted my life, like my own entirety, my entire life. You know, I felt within myself, like, for how long? I want to keep managing a behavior that I think is inappropriate or unacceptable. And I told her, I'm sorry. Give me a space right now. Go and work on yourself. Once you've worked on yourself, then we're going to resolve things. I told her, I said, listen, I don't want to keep celebrating you. I didn't want to enjoy it. I needed to work on yourself. And she promised she was going to work on herself again. When I got back to England, only for me later to see a video after a few weeks of her insulting people on the internet. Or if I have a man and you come close to my man, I have a visa to every country, someone must collect. Still the same garage behavior. Sorry to use that word. I don't want that. And I told her I was done, totally done. So she didn't like the idea of myself coming out when I was asked. And I said she wasn't my wife. She still wants to claim on having a pride in the ownership.
So you guys know my country people, while I know the finish show, I don't know why this guy feel like saying still need to do this video after all the things where they don't do yesterday. Like yesterday was hell. Basbos. Like the guy not even zero talk that yesterday. So he be like say you don't rest now, so you can't talk all these kind of things. By the way, Nkechi don't talk and say this guy now manager been they manage you. But when they ask now, say all these our celebrities where we say when I know say the relationship when are inside no they good, but when I go they hype am, they over hype am. In fact, they overrate am. We be say some people when no sabi, they go call the think like say their own relationship is no good though, it's not sweet though. Like they go come they use their relationship, they compare with the one when they flaunt. They don't know say their own better pass on their own self. As everything don't be like this now. See the way they come out now, they talk all these kind of things. Nkechi they release screenshots of people where be say this guy they message where he want me they give her money, want me they support a foundation. Person when no get money, they also have foundation. If not true, that's what I'm saying. Like, how can you be bugging people to help you to build your to help foundation? Who send you that? Who send you? People when they get foundation, and people when say they get money, and if any other person wants to support their foundation, they will call the support. But anyway, now Sabio, as the matter take be now, I know they side any of them because both of them they knew what they were doing. When Nkechi was hyping him on top social media, shebi everybody be they do some people where they tap like per one type pass. Now, yawa down gas now.
No go area. This is my property. Anybody takuraya? Maybe should I tell them that I see this really? Again, I'm trying shit. For real? I'm trying shit though. I'm gonna tell them. I see this real if you go near this nigga right here. I don't joke with you. My property is my property. My property is my property. Honorable calm down. Zukwani Ike. Oh well, Ikotago. Is again. Ima na ahụrụ gị n'anya. Ima. Ana m agwa gị okwu. Ị na-anụzi ihe m na-ekwu?